Hey guys, Gadgetman here with Nothing But Gadgets, and today I'm going to be showing you this EXEMPT digital otoscope earwax cleaning system. So 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Alright guys, so this product was sent to me for free to do this review, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to demonstrate this product in real world circumstances and show you exactly how it works. Alright guys, but first let's break it out of the box. Okay, so here's what comes in the box. We got the little digital otoscope thing here. Okay, a charger. It actually takes USB-C connection instead of USB micro, so that's cool. Alright, I love the USB-C connection because you can go either way with it. Okay, it's got some extra little cleaning tips that go over here. You know, I guess they're little rubber things, okay? And got your user instruction manual here, and this little carry card that you keep it in the box. The best place to keep this thing is actually inside the actual box. All right, so it does come with a little charge on it. It's got a little light there. The first thing we need to do to get this thing to work is to install the app. So go ahead and get a QR code scanner on your phone, and now we're just going to scan the little deal right here. And it's going to take us to the EXEMPT website where we're going to have to download the actual app here from the Google Play Store. All right, so EXEMPT Care install. We'll install that. Okay, so now that the app is installed, we'll go ahead and hit the open. Now we have to add a device. Okay, so we hit add device. Okay, so we're going to add the earwax removal, that thing right there. Okay, and connect. Now we're going to press and hold this to turn it on. All right, now it's going to create a little Wi-Fi network. So in order to connect to it, we're going to have to go to settings, and then connections, and then Wi-Fi, and it should pick up this new one, which would be this one right here, the EXEMPT. We connect to that. Connect. It's connecting. And now it's connected. Dismiss this little warning because it says there's no internet. And let's go back. We'll go over here to this, and okay, once we get that done, next. And now we have it connected here. So you can see things here. Okay, so let's go down the old ear canal here. It's a little hard to control this because it's like it goes against the opposite direction of how you think you should use it. Alright, so I did get some ear wax out with it, you know. It does work, and you can see down your ear just fine. I mean, the image is quite clear. It's really, it would be easier if somebody else was doing it instead of me, because it's kind of backwards and upside down to how you would think about it. Well, it does work. You know, to get your earwax out, as you can see, I mean, it's a nice little camera. It goes inside. It's got this little tip on here to keep, you know, rubber tip and everything. And so you can use it to clean your ear out. I don't know what else to say about it. It does what it says it will do. And if you can, you know, and then you can see down your ear and you can clean all your wax out with it. So I guess there's nothing else to show on this. Alright guys, well there you have it. It works just fine. It connects easy. You got to install the simple app. When you're looking at the screen, and you're trying to operate your hand, it seems like my brain, at least for me, every time I try to move one way, it moves the opposite way. So it's kind of, my brain is not able to figure out exactly how to move my hand, but I think someone else using it to, clean my ear could actually do a really good job with it. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.